application is not working properly in today's server issue. So hello everyone, in this video we will tell you how to fix the Twitter is not working problem today. Could we refresh and something went wrong, error saying the post not showing and error could refresh the page, please try again. So how to fix this issue? So first open your Play Store and search Twitter application, update now Twitter app and clear cache Twitter application. So hold or open application settings for stop application storage and clear storage, clear data, or check your internet connection is stable. How to see down detector? Many people are facing this currently issue, reporting Twitter is down today. So fixing the issue and the company side server issue, wait for some time.